thunderstorms in the afternoon. Weather bulletin. Weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Washington, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Allegheny County in southwest Pennsylvania, North Central Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwest Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Carnegie, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sewickley, Oakdale, McDonald, Imperial, Bridgeville, Carnegie, Upper St. Clair, Mickey's Rocks, Perrysville, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Mount Washington. Highways impacted include Interstate 279 Parkway North between mile markers 1 and 11, Interstate 579 Crosstown Boulevard, Interstate 376 Parkway West between mile markers 56 and 69. Interstate 376 Parkway Central between mile markers 70 and 74. Interstate 376 Parkway East between mile markers 75 and 84.